what we're going to do now is we're going to test a D5 pump, pumping through a 1/4 inch line, but only 15 feet of line. And we're going to show you the time it takes to fill it up. Still using a restricted hose, a 1/4 inch hose, but only 15 feet instead of the 500 feet we have on the roof. So if we'll start our clock, and let's put it in a gallon jug and see what we get. And the reason for doing this is to demonstrate the difference between restriction and friction. Remember, the length of hose you have creates friction. Up there it's 500 feet of friction. Here we only have 15 feet of friction. But still we're using restricted hose, 1/4 inch instead of a half. So therefore we do not expect the same flow rate we would get with a 1/2 inch line. But as you can tell, it's filling it much quicker. And the purpose again is to help you to appreciate that you need to decide with your length of line, with your particular setup, and the amount of sun that your roof gets where your panels list is set up at, as to what size pump you need and what flow rate you need to net the results that you're looking for. So at 1.5 minutes, it's more than halfway full. In future videos, we'll be demonstrating it with the 1/2 inch line, so you'll be able to appreciate that. Again, ussolarpumps.com. Our catalog is pretty clear, and it shows you the various size pumps from our smaller ones to our bigger ones to help you find the size pump that fits your needs. Keep in mind too, people have different needs. They have wattage limitations, they have voltage limitations, 24 volt, 12 volt, flow requirements, amperature. So you need to decide what you need, what flow rate, what voltage, how much wattage you have to work with. That's why the S5 pump is designed for solar hot water heating systems. They use very low wattage to get the flow rate that they work with. So there we are, 2.5 minutes, and it's filled that up. Yes, the S5 pump is designed for solar hot water heating systems because they're designed to use very low wattage. The S5 5PV handles 5 watts, or requires 5 watts of solar panel as a minimum, and gives you 2.2 gallons a minute. The S5 10PV requires a minimum of 10 watts solar and gives you 2.6 gallons a minute. And the S5 15PV will give you as much as 3 gallons a minute with a 1/2 inch line, but requires 15 watts of PV. You get to these other pumps, the D5, the C1, and some of the other ones, it's going to require a lot more